Do you think about food all the time? Have you tried to cut back on what or how much you eat only to fail? These are symptoms of addiction. If you replace food and meal with alcohol and drink, the person in question will be shipped off to rehab in a heartbeat. What if I told you that food noise is one of the most damaging psychological conditions of modern life? Is long-term medication the way out of this intentional, man-made crisis? No, not hardly. But one way that we can start to break the cycle of obesity is by addressing the individual factors, the food addiction itself. I'm going to give you some tips on how to eliminate it.